Hi guys, welcome to Coffee with Dr. Shah. So basically at BC Laser we get so many phone calls and inquiries about new treatments and the pros and the cons and so on and so forth. So we really wanted to take the opportunity to just basically educate clients about what we have going on within the clinic and ask Dr. Shah. So, hi Dr. Shah, how are you?
Yes, hello.
Great. So today we've chosen to talk about the new Trusculpt ID. For those of you watching, Trusculpt ID is the newest technology in weight loss, fat loss, or sculpting I should say, right Dr. Shah?
Yes, in body shaping and body fat loss, it works very well. Let me tell you a little, give you an overview. We got UltraShape many years ago. We actually did some studies for UltraShape in the past, and that was removing fat using ultrasound. Then cool sculpting came on board, and we had cool sculpting, and we still do, where fat is removed using the chilling effect. And now we have hot sculpting or Trusculpting using heat to remove fat. With Trusculpting, we are able to remove in the treated area 24% of the fat over a period of 15 minutes, which is just amazing.
That is amazing considering I was a client and had the UltraShape way back, and it's just so crazy how technology and time has just advanced so much.
Yes. And do you remember the UltraShape used to take literally hours to complete, and it was quite a picky treatment. With the Trusculpt now, we're able to shape and we're able to design a treatment and do reshaping very quickly, and one treatment will take 15 minutes, and most people only need 1 or 2 treatments in one specific treated area.
So, Dr. Shah, a common question we have is, where does the fat go? Like, I don't understand.
Yes, it's very simple. The radio frequency, which is the main modality of the Trusculpt treatment, causes heat, and the heat causes the fat cells to break down, and then your body naturally disposes of it.
That's amazing. So this is very similar to something like the cool sculpting, where we freeze the fat and the body naturally disposes.
Yes, and the modality of cool sculpting is that you cool the cell down and the fat cell breaks down.
And here we're using the heat.
That's it.
And so a combination of heat and cold would probably be like optimal results.
It could be, yes, absolutely.
That's amazing.
Some people it's best if we do Trusculpting, and some people it's best if we do cool sculpting.
And for somebody like me, I want it all, so I'd probably do cool sculpting, Trusculpting, and whatever body magic cream I can get. So Dr. Shah, can you show me what the Trusculpt ID looks like? What would be attached for those watching?
Absolutely. We have to design a treatment for a person. Let's say somebody comes in and says, they want their belly treated, and they want to get rid of their belly fat. They've been exercising, but there's just some stubborn areas. So what we do is we design an area, and then depending on the design, we've got all these probes. These probes would be placed on the abdomen. The probes are very simple and light. And they would be applied on the area that needs to be treated, and then they are...
This looks amazing. It doesn't look like it's going to pinch, hurt, just
no.
very smooth.
And the probes are placed, and then they're literally stick onto the skin area, and then the treatment is applied over a 15-minute cycle.
15 minutes.
And then it's done.
And I know that there's videos as well that we have on our Facebook and Instagram and channel that people can actually see the treatment being done.
Absolutely.
I had the treatment done. I work out and I did my lower.
I had the treatment done here.
That speaks volumes, because Dr. Shah, us ladies in the clinic love treatments and we donate our bodies all the time, but Dr. Shah does not. So the fact that he did, I mean, that's amazing. Pretty exciting.
So I enjoyed it. It was great and very relaxed.
And how soon will we see results? Because that's
it takes a good 2 to 3 months to see results. So I
and that's 20% results.
Yes, I advise people to wait at least 3 months between treatments. And as I said before, most people will only need 1 treatment or 2 treatments at the most for the area of concern.
And you know what I found so amazing about the Trusculpt ID treatment for myself was done in 15 minutes, but there was no downtime. I wasn't swollen, I wasn't in pain, I went back to my desk and worked and had no uncomfortableness at all.
Yes, and after my treatment I was treating patients. It was completely soft and non-tender.
That is amazing. And is anybody a candidate, Dr. Shah?
Most people are candidates. There are certain people with certain medical conditions that are not candidates, and obviously we would need to check for that whenever somebody comes in.
For their consultation,
yes.
and that's, I guess, during the consultation
yes.
is where we'd be able to look at the treatment area and design a treatment
yes.
package based on their specific concerns to
exactly.
get optimal results, right?
Yes, absolutely.
That's amazing. A few other questions. How many treatments? You answered that. How long? How long will I wait to see my results? And you've answered that. Okay. So, Dr. Shah, when I was going for my Trusculpt ID treatment,
yes.
I had a lot of backlash kind of from people saying, hey, no, if you do a treatment, it's going to just overcompensate and gain in other areas. And it had me a little bit nervous and skeptical, and I thought you could give me your thoughts on that.
Absolutely. If you're going to gain weight, you will gain weight all over your body. The area where the weight has been, where the fat has been destroyed,
Mm-hmm.
you will still gain weight or increase in size there in an even manner, because you will still have some fat cells there. But it doesn't mean you're going to be
but the 20-something, what was it?
20%,
24% of fat cells that we've destroyed, those are gone.
Those are gone.
I've destroyed those. So if I, start slacking and I'm going through drive-thrus and what have you, I mean, I'll just naturally gain, but those, it won't be what I've lost. It would just be what you would normally, because this is...
Your fat cells that you've got remaining will definitely increase in size, and those are the ones that will look a little bigger, but it does not mean that you will gain excessive amounts of fat in certain areas.
Well, that's amazing, because, when you do a treatment like this, you want to take 2 steps forward, and, sometimes if you were to gain back, it's like taking steps back. But with this, you're taking a few steps forward. If you gain, it would just be what you would have in the first place, not what Dr. Shah. No. I love that when you come to BC Laser, you guys we really set realistic expectations. There's no magic. So, these wraps or this sit in here for 20 minutes or rub this special cream and melt away. No, it's really, we promote an overall healthy
yes.
lifestyle. And it goes from taking care of healthy choices for your meal, some cardiovascular for your heart, and these extra treatments that just kind of help guide and contour to
yes.
get you to where you want to be, right?
Absolutely.
Feeling the best in your skin.
Yes.
That's amazing. And I would just like to add as well, when you come to BC Laser from front to finish, Dr. Shah is so huge on educating. Every week we do educational seminars within the clinic.
Yes.
And we don't bring anything in that you yourself haven't tried, tested, and true, and the science is behind it.
Yes. So I love the technology, and it works.
And it works, and that's where we want to go,
yes.
right? So I would encourage, if you are interested in a treatment, book in for a consultation or submit your questions. I mean, you can submit it to info@bclaser.ca or Facebook. And
our website.
There you go.
bclaser.ca.
Perfect. And we look forward to receiving your questions, and that way we can talk about what you'd like to talk about and just continue to educate so that everyone can make an educated decision as to what's best for them and not what the media or the bestseller or the pick of the week treatment is. Right, Dr. Shah?
Absolutely.
Yay.
Thank you.
Thank you.